2023. It's looking a bit prickly. They say it'll be the year of hardship, recession, depression. Well, let them flap their hysterical gums, crying Chicken Little. Bark, bark. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to all the other feeders I've been testing. Rising cost of living, it's a real threat, and it probably doesn't hurt to hammer that home. I think I need a new brand of automatic chicken door opener. Supply chain issues, everyone's feeling it. Increasing crime rate. What's the root cause? Energy. Why is it getting so expensive? Oh look, here's a politician. And we just missed this bureaucrat, probably by half a day. Holy hell. I'm not going to tell you who to vote for, or how to live, or what you should think to be a better person. And I'm not going to pretend I have all the answers to all the world's problems. But here on my channel, I will show you what I'm doing to keep food costs down, how I have my own supply chain of healthy produce, how we can use our own energy to get by, and how to keep your sanity when the whole world seems to be going nuts. Because I'm getting into it. No matter how many twists or turns there are in 2023. So subscribe to Self-Sufficient Me and let's get into it together so that we can be more self-sufficient than ever before and less reliant on big corporations, the grid and the government. Let's get into it. Cheers.